come you're so angry? You're like a bipolar bird. Yes, you are. You're like a bipolar bird. You're like a bipolar bird. Yes, you are. Why are you so mad? Huh? Why are you mad? Don't you bite. That's not nice. Why are you biting? Riddicka. I just put paper down there. That's all. Is that why you're pissed off? Because I changed out the paper? Huh? Is that why you're pissed off? Riddicka. Is that why you're mad? Riddicka. Is that why you're mad? Yeah. Hey, you are so evil. You are a bipolar little bird. Yes, you are. You were my best friend 14 seconds ago. And now you're just crazy. You're a crazy little bird. Who's a crazy bird? Who's a crazy bird? Say, I am. Riddicka. I'm gonna get you. You're crazy. You are crazy. Crazy.